if you're a small business owner, you probably already know how important social media can be to your business. But do you feel like you really have a handle on it? Or do you always feel like maybe you're not quite understanding the game? So that's how I feel sometimes. But I have good news for you. My name is Terry Ambrose, and I'm going to be hosting a webinar for SCORE Greater Phoenix. And the webinar topic is going to be on social media marketing for your small business. So this is going to be a panelist style webinar. We're going to have three other small business owners on the panel, each one of them having mastered social media and the particular platform they're going to speak about. So we'll have somebody for Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. And after they give their presentation, you have the opportunity to ask questions and get your questions answered. Okay, so if you're interested, we'd love to see you there. It's going to be next Tuesday, December 13th at 1 p.m., and that's Arizona time, so Mountain Standard Time. All right, the link is going to be shown below in the body of this post, so you can just click there and go right to the registration page. All right, see you there. Thanks.